guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back for another hairstyle tutorial. So in today's video I'm gonna do my hairstyle. Now I got a new haircut and I went again very short because sometimes I can't be bothered with the long hair. So I went number one on the sides, and also the front is short as well. Well, it was longer before, but now it's kind of short, and also the top is short as well. And in order, if it's short, I bought a new hair product, and it is the L'Oreal Professional's Home Sculpt number 3. This you'll only find in hair salons, and also you'll find this online. I bought mine from mankind.com. I really like mankind.com because they got loads of different salon products that you find in the salon, obviously. And I also picked up this. Also, I've picked up the L'Oreal Professional's Poker Paste. Absolutely loving it, and it's perfect if you have like thick and volume in your hair, and it gives you this extra hold and gives you also amazing volume as well. This one I think is perfect for fine and thin hair. My hair at the moment is very thin and also very fine, and also short as well, so I thought this product might be the one. Haven't tested this yet, so that's why I'm doing like a first impression in this video. Okay, so my hair is freshly washed and a little bit towel dried. So what I'm gonna do, I'll just start and don't ramble on, and let me just see what it says in the description and the directions. Let's see if I find the English. So it says sculpting fiber paste. So it's a fiber paste. It says sculpt your style with a supple, flexible hold for a textured look. And how to use it: apply it to dry hair. Work a small amount of product between the hands. Pull hands apart to release the fiber and run through hair for a textured effect. Okay, so my hair is a bit wet, but I mean, it really depends. If you like a bit of a shine, a bit of a glossy look, then wet hair will be fine. But if you want the matte finish, then obviously use it on dry hair. But I'm just gonna use it on my hair like so, and it smells very nice, very clean, very fresh. It kind of smells like the fiber paste that the L'Oreal has in their normal range. So the professional range of the L'Oreal is that it's more luxurious, more higher end, and all the salons, like in fashion weeks, people use this, and just hair salon people use it. So it's more a niche kind of product range, and you guys can see it's very like sticky, very sticky, and very interesting. Oh, okay, I like to play with it now. Gosh, it's kind of sticky. Talking about niche product ranges, the price of this is around £10, which is really reasonable for a good hair product, I must say. Let's see if it's any good, but it's very reasonable basically. So all I'll do is take a small amount, rubbing it between my fingers, is how I do normally with the hair fiber paste always. Another thing is, I don't know if you guys noticed in my channel that I use a lot of hair paste or hair kind of pasted products because my hair seems to like it, and I like it, and I don't want to use like a hair gel or something because it's too strong for my hair, because I do have some fine hair sometimes. So it's nicely distributed in between my fingers, and I'm gonna use my viewfinder as a mirror to do my hairstyle because I don't have any mirrors around me, which is not so great. So yeah, I'm gonna use my hair finder and I'm gonna go onto the hair. I'm gonna go inside the roots and shake it up a bit. I can hear seagulls outside my window. Funny. From the viewfinder I can see it gives me like this instant volume as well, which is very nice. Okay, I feel like since I got like very fine and short hair at the moment, I feel like getting a little bit more product and use it like in the areas where I want a more bit of a hold, like in the sides and at the front where the fine hair is. So I'm gonna go in here and also here at the front. And also at the back, where normally hair stands out. The product does distribute very nicely onto the hair and very quickly as well, which is a bonus basically. Swooshy swoosh. Okay, I think I'm nearly done, and from the time I can see, I think it took me maybe 2-ish minutes to 2 minutes around, which is not bad if you're in a rush and we need to get out the house very quickly. And voila, that is it. This is the finished hairstyle tutorial, and I must say I really like it. Now this product is so good. To be honest, I was a bit skeptical because this number 3 kinda put me off, because I thought that this product might not have enough hold and more grip inside it, but you guys can see my hair looks perfectly fine and I really like it. I mean, you get this in 150 ml for around £10, which is so good, so it will last you a very long time because you don't need a lot of this product, and I really like it. To be honest, I always like L'Oreal products, and now not a doubt that the professional line of L'Oreal would be obviously amazing. So I'm gonna link this product down below if you're interested, and go give it a try. You won't lose anything. I mean, I really like it. As you guys can see, it gives me instant volume, it smells amazing, it's not heavy onto the hair, and my hair looks like very nice and very like polished, and I really like the polished look for this year. So do let me know if you guys like this hairstyle tutorial in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, also follow me on my Instagram, which is at Rahma Blogger. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and until next time I will see you all in my next video. Bye!